A leg spinner has come into play. A brutal sky shot that soars above the pitch into the crowd. That's played so well by the batsman for a huge six. New to the ground? Never mind. Hit a boundary off the first ball. There's no cricket pitch on earth that could contain that one. He's taken the aerial route. 6 more.
Get it!
Sailed right into waiting hands. It's a sad walk back for the batsman. That's the first wicket down in this innings. He just has to stick to the basics and play his natural game here. The fielders are on guard, protecting the infield. Sensational effort in the field there. He makes a perfect throw to return the ball close to the stumps.
That's it!
One bounce and over the fence. A cracking way to get off the mark. It's sayonara with that delivery. A 4 off the last ball. Those clouds look rather menacing. We could have a spot of bother here. Time for some spin now. An off-spinner comes into the attack. An absolute blaster of a shot. What a whopper. He's joined the space race with that one. 6 runs. What a cracking start. A boundary off his first encounter. He had less than a second to throw himself in front, and he's got a great arm and knows how to use it. What a throw!
Get it!
A palpable thud as the ball rockets off for a 6. The fielders look tense. A spot of rain might make things difficult for everyone. Swept across with no mercy. Great coordination between the pair. That's good running. The crowd is straining to follow that one. What a stunner! Gets underneath the ball this time and lofts it for a 6 off the last ball. A poor over from the bowler. It's a bit of a rain shower out here, and the umpires are factoring in pitch conditions to take a call on whether to halt play. Will this medium pacer bolt past the batting line? We'll know. Those grey clouds meant business. It's an absolute torrent out here, and play has been put on hold. It's an absolute pelter of a rain shower out here, and play is forced to halt for the time being. Looks like the grounds are still in good shape. The covers are off, and despite the rain upset, the officials have determined that no overs are to be reduced by Duckworth Lewis. Good news for spectators here and at home. A quick shuffle, and it's all in the wrists as the ball flies down leg side. An impressive stick by both batsmen. He's got it in hand and chucks it right back. Steps out and hammers it into the stands. It's a huge shot, timed brilliantly by the batsman. Well fielded, and the batsman couldn't get away with it. That's a railgun of a shot. Belted it far, high and away. That's played so well by the batsman for a huge 6. The umpire signals it as a wide delivery.
That's it!
He's played right into the fielder's hands. A new batsman walking in. Hope he can save his team's hopes. It's well on its way. There's nothing on earth that can stop that one. Superb wrist work. That's been deposited into the stands again at the end of the over. The bowling side has decided to continue the medium pace onslaught. Good stuff from the bowler. Bowls a shortish delivery this time. It's hard, it's high, and it's wide. Bowled him. The batsman is gone. The dry spell ends with that refreshing fall. The ball races away to the boundary. New to the ground? Never mind. Hit a boundary off the first ball. It's in the air. This could be the big one. That looks like a big one. No need to run for it. Sensational effort in the field there. He makes a perfect throw to return the ball close to the stumps. The bowling side has decided to continue the medium pace onslaught. That's a loose delivery from the bowler. That's a clear no ball. It's a free hit for the batsman at the crease. He's absolutely obliterated that one. They'll be hunting for that one in the audience. It's a long, long way to Tipperary. And that stunning six. The batsman hooks and makes good contact with the ball. A premature end to a promising start. Caught out. Oh, that looked painful. Let's hope he can bounce back from it. An unfortunate error by the bowler. The umpire grants the batting a no ball. A big slip up from the batsman at the crease. It would have been unlucky if he had got out in this fashion. A wild swinging delivery. The batsman is in real trouble now. Sensational stuff. Stopped it deaf. He's got a great arm and knows how to use it. What a throw. It's another dot ball in this over. The bowler will be pleased. He struck the meatiest bit of willow there. A whale of an onside shot. That's a back and forth contest of wills that has left one side triumphant. What a match. An incredible show of sporting caliber. Truly the man of the match.